Wait, hold on, I got an idea. Bro, Sophia, I needed to like sit right here, bro.
Good shot.
But it won't.
Here, give me a real quick.
Hold on. I got Randy. Oh, it's good, it's good, it's good.
Oh, yeah, go get the rake.
You go get the rake. She's running. Guys, you're following. Okay. We need to like, see. Here. There we go.
Oh, get the mom's rake. Oh, no.
Oh no, I'm taking your pile, are you not? I almost whacked Randy in the face.
Wait, let's put Randy inside so we can build it up and build it up. We can jump in it. Here, I'll put Randy inside. Randy! Randy!
I'm still recording. I'm making a pile box and cleaning up the yard.
Well, Randy would destroy the yard again. When should we let Randy out?
I know. Here, I'll make another pile. You can start moving that over there.
Over where?
Look, a pile.
Over where?
Yes, over there.
Oh, okay.
The pile into the other pile. I just said that. paid for this. Just kidding. Right?
Who do you support Donald Trump?
Yeah.
Why? He cut off the suicide hotline. He did. And then he said his daughter was hot. And that he would marry her. I am not supporter.
Who are you a supporter of? Air?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just don't think he should be president.
The suicide hotline. I guess I can't call it anymore. I guess I can't call it anymore. Oh well. Oh well. Hi guy, I'm suing Donald Trump. You're the one who cut off the line. Ow. Yeah, that would have hurt if it was my rake. My metal. Okay, should we let him off? Yeah. Bruh.
Randy. Go, Randy. Go, Randy.
Ready?
Yeah! Go, Randy.
Oh,
Randy. Yes, yes, yes. Good.
Randy, Randy. You ready? Randy. Randy. No, you gotta do this. You gotta scoop it and throw it up. Scoop it, throw it up. Just don't hit Randy in the eye. So for our hard, oh man. Search for our hard work. Randy. Randy. So I can't believe I broke my ring last night.
Huh?
I broke my ring again.
Out of everything Randy would have stick. Randy. Randy. Go get it. Fucking good, dummy. Randy. Ready? Randy. Randy. Randy.
Yeah, that's such a tiny stick.
Go, 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 go.
Me a leaf blower. Ready? Would you? Good night. Ready? Sir? Are you ready? Ready? Stand there. Get ready.
Randy.
Oh, I could be a pile of dog poop in here. Wouldn't be surprised. Randy's like the happiest dog in the world right now. You gotta throw it up. Stop beating the camera. Randy. Randy, ready? Ah! Move, fatty. Girl. Randy, these aren't you look like landed on the Randy! Cover him up! Ah, we got my shirt! Randy, that's my bowl. Ready for the mega jump? Ah! Oh, fuck!
Randy loves today, bro.
What? Ah! Me too, bro. Me too. Oh.
Bye, guys.
Bro, 12 minutes.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Ah.